All right, welcome everybody. How are y'all doing? If you're watching the replay, give me a hashtag replay in the chat. We're going to talk about, is the dollar going to reverse from here? And is this going to be the week or the month that the stock market crashes? Excited that you're here. My name is DeFi Mike. I've taught 250,000 people about crypto and stocks all around the world. We've educated people from online, in events, everywhere. And we're just going to answer this one question: is what is the dollar? What is the DXY, or the strength of the dollar, about to do? If you're watching this live, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. If you're watching the replay, give me a hashtag replay in the chat. So if you've been following me and you've been on this channel, we've been covering the dollar being bearish for months now. Okay, we've been bearish on the dollar from really like since the beginning of June, and we've had this slow break of liquidity and then this aggressive sell off on the DXY, which is basically the strength of the dollar. Now, I believe this could be a level where price slows down and gives us a push up. Now, what a lot of retail, or what a lot of people are just kind of taught, is like dollar down, assets up. And in reality, like, there's a lag sometimes, but it doesn't just happen right away. For example, Bitcoin and the dollar this week both went down. Okay, see you in the building. Good to see you. So, but okay, take a step back. The dollar has been falling. So could this be a level where now some of this money comes back into the dollar and gives us this push up? Something to really watch over the next couple of days. Now, my swing for the dollar, my position for the dollar is going to be leaning more toward this 97 to 95 level. I do believe we will see the dollar get down there. I believe in the next 6 months. Okay, maybe even sooner, especially with unemployment ticking higher. Okay, when unemployment is going up, the dollar tends to fall because people lose faith in the dollar, and that money leaves. Okay, so I do like this level here. My final target for the dollar is really coming for this level down here at about 90. So let's see if we get something like that or something like this for the DXY. Now, looking at overall stock markets, okay, you have NAS 100, which gave us a beautiful setup here. Let's turn this volume off. At around the 80, 88.6 down here, right? August 5th, August 6th. You kind of see how all of the markets corrected themselves. Bitcoin, crypto. And if you just bought, like if you bought NAS 100, I mean, this is up 12% in 15 days, right? US 30, the Dow Jones. You look at this August 5th, August 6th. I mean, this is up 6%. I mean, that's a big number right there, everybody. And we can see here that we are inches away from creating another brand new all-time high. Now, my opinion, I think we're going to see that. August 21st, as we're recording this today, would not be surprised if this market came into something like this and then just boom, continue. Because everybody's screaming for a recession. They're using the all. People talk about a crash coming. We obviously have this election. Let's see how many days until election day. Election day is on November 5th. Can this tell me how many? 76 days away. So this thing's about to start to heat up. And if you guys have questions in the chat, feel free to drop them and I'll answer them. But I believe we're going to see this whole market continuation, S&P 500, S&P 500 as well, continue to go higher. So what should you do if you're an investor? I'll give you this to you real quick. If you're an investor, you should sit and you should buy pullbacks, buy dips. Okay, I believe it's the greatest time to be doing that. If you're a trader, Okay, so for example, like trading, I actually have some call options on Peloton. I made a video on this on Peloton at 4 and 5 strike price. Now, tomorrow, for example, Peloton is going to report earnings pre-market. So if you guys have been following me, we've been adding to our position literally since about May. We added some more down here as well. And now we're looking for this push up on Peloton. So you'll see some stocks, right, that have given us, yeah, take a look at this, some targets, some spikes. Why is that happening? Question everything. Spike there, then we drop. 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 Spike here, and then we drop all the way down. Volume going down. Market starting to push higher. So I believe we're going to see some of these stocks. If you guys have been following my channel, we've been covering PayPal for the past few months on this channel since like February. Go back and watch some of my live recordings. PayPal is looking very, very nice right now to the upside. You know, we were adding positions at 56, 57, 58, sub 60. If you're in my inner circle, there you go. If you guys don't know, real quick, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'll put the link in the chat. I have a 3-day course. It is going to be completely for free. You can get on the wait list. The wait list actually closed, but because you're on YouTube, I'm going to give it to you. You can grab a wait list spot. It's called Prepare for Market Euphoria. You can apply everything to a lot of it to stocks as well, but it's crypto focused. A great starting point. Day 2, I give you my exact strategy on entries and exits. So for crypto and stocks. So there you go. Get on the wait list and definitely make sure you're notified when it comes out in the next 7 to 10 days. So looking at Bitcoin, and then I'm going to end this thing here. I got another call I got to get on. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a sell-off here. Yeah, you see how this is kind of like setting up right there? Maybe we bounce to the upside first, but I'm still convinced that we will see this level, this volume get tested, which means we would probably need to see Bitcoin back closer to like 52 to 50, at least 54, at least into this candle, but like 50 to 54. And right now the market is setting up for a huge level of liquidity here to be taken out. So could we see something like this to the upside? That's what I'd be watching for BTC. So if you're an investor, I would continue to buy dips. If you're a trader, I would continue to obviously always use proper risk management, always have your game plan. But let me speak to the investors right now. You got a window of opportunity here, everybody. Okay, you have a window of opportunity in crypto because when the tides turn, okay, this is Polygon. All my students, we've been talking about this. We called this out at 38 cents recently. All my inner circle. I mean, you can see this literally right here, 42% in 17 days. Just a quick move, a quick sweep of liquidity right here, and then an aggressive boom. Something like that should play out for Matic. Market can go sideways for days, weeks, months, or years. And in one break of structure and one break, this thing can run. So if you got some value from this, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great night, and God